Hey, Rod! Low. Rod!
Yeah, CJ. Hey, CJ, tell me why they finished high school.
Cause you been dealing drugs, man, since the age of 10.
No, that ain't it.
Cause you had put hands on that teacher for wearing baller colors.
No, that ain't it either. It's cause I'm too intelligent for this shit, man. I am the real deal, fool. Oh shit, a genius.
Oh, yeah.
Who has more straps than anybody? Who has all the straps, huh?
Man with a lot of guns. Shit, I give up.
The army, my Mia. The army. Let's go.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Get out my face.
Go hit the